Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to learn sickle cell disease. So we'll start with the introduction. Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder that affects the shape of the red blood cells, causing them to produce rigid and sickle shaped. This abnormal shape makes it difficult for the cells to flow smoothly through the blood vessels, leading to blockages that can cause pain, organ damage, and other serious complications. How the disease is caused. Sickle cell disease is caused by a mutation in the hemoglobin gene, which is responsible for producing the protein that carries oxygen in the blood. People with sickle cell disease inherit two copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent. This causes the red blood cells to produce abnormal hemoglobin, which leads to their characteristic sickle shaped. Symptoms of the disease. The symptoms of sickle cell disease can vary from mild to severe and can include pain, fatigue, shortness of breath, dizziness, jaundice, and frequent infections. Many people with sickle cell disease experience painful episodes known as crisis, which can be triggered by dehydration, infection, stress, or other factors. Over time, sickle cell disease can cause damage to organs such as the liver, kidney, and spleen. Treatment of the disease. There is currently no cure for the sickle cell disease, but there are several treatments available to manage the symptoms and prevent complications. These include pain management with over-the-counter or prescription medication, blood transfusion to increase the number of healthy red blood cells, and bone marrow transplant to replace the defective stem cells that produce sickle cell shaped. Prevention of the disease. Sickle cell disease can be prevented by genetic counseling and screening. Couples who are carriers of the disease can be identified through blood tests and offered counseling on the risks of passing the disease to their children. Prenatal testing can also be done to determine if a fetus has the disease. In some cases, doctors may recommend pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, which involves screening embryos before they are implanted during in vitro fertilization to ensure that only healthy embryos are used. Below, after this, we have a video attached to explain more about the sickle cell disease.